Subway map question.
The subway map can look confusing at first, but I can help you read it.
Thank you. I need to go to City Park, and I am not sure which line to take.
You should take the blue line from this station and ride for 4 stops.
4 stops on the blue line. Okay. And do I need to change trains?
No, you do not need to change if you stay on the train until Park Street.
That sounds easy, but I cannot find Park Street on the big map.
Look here. It is the station with the small tree sign beside the name.
Now I see it, and the tree sign makes it easier to remember.
The train arrives on platform 2, and it usually comes every 6 minutes.
Great, because I do not want to be late for my meeting.
You still have enough time if you go down the stairs now.
Can I use my card at the gate, or do I need a ticket?
You can tap your card at the yellow reader near the gate.
Perfect. And how will I know when my stop is next?
The train screen shows each station, and you will hear an announcement too.
That helps a lot because I am new to this city.
If you miss the stop, stay calm and get off at the next station.
Then I can take a train back in the other direction, right?
Exactly. And the signs will say toward Central Station on the way back.
I feel much better now, and the map is not so scary.
It becomes easier after 1 or 2 trips, so do not worry.
Thank you for explaining it slowly and clearly. I am learning English by watching Learn English with Daniel slowly and clearly, like your explanations.
You're welcome, and Platform 2 is just behind that blue sign. I know that this popular English learning channel.
Thank you again. Bye.
Bye.
Hotel room view.
Good evening. How can I help you at the front desk?
I checked in earlier, but I have a question about my room view.
Of course. What would you like to know about it?
My room faces the parking lot, but I booked a room with a city view.
I am sorry about that. Let me check your reservation now.
Thank you. I still have my booking email on my phone.
That is helpful, and yes, I see City View written here.
Is there another room available for tonight?
We have one room on the 6th floor with a better view.
That sounds good. And is it the same room type?
Yes, it has one large bed, a desk, and a small balcony.
Great. And do I need to pay extra for changing rooms?
No, there is no extra charge because the booking was clear.
Thank you. That's very fair.
Breakfast is still included with the room, and your old breakfast ticket will work.
Good, because I plan to eat early before my city tour.
I can make a new key card for room 612.
Perfect. Should I bring my old key card back to you?
Yes, please give it to me before you go upstairs.
Here it is, and my bag is still in the first room.
You can move your bag yourself, or I can call the porter.
I can carry it myself because I only have one suitcase.
All right, the elevator is on your left, near the plants.
Thanks, and will the room be ready right now?
Yes, I just checked, and housekeeping marked it ready.
Wonderful. I am excited to see the city lights tonight.
Fresh market prices.
These tomatoes are fresh today, and the price is on the small sign.
They look good, but I want to ask about the price first.
Of course, the tomatoes are $3 for 1 kilo.
That is fine. And how much are the green peppers?
The green peppers are $2 for one bag.
Great. I will take one bag and half a kilo of tomatoes.
That is okay. I will weigh the tomatoes for you now.
Thank you. And are the apples sweet or a little sour?
They are sweet, and many customers buy them for snacks.
Then please add 4 apples to my order.
Sure. Would you like red apples or yellow apples?
Red apples, please, because they look very fresh.
Good choice. And the bananas are also ripe today.
I may take 2 bananas, but I do not want too much fruit.
2 bananas are easy, and they will be ready to eat tomorrow.
Perfect, because I need breakfast for the morning.
Your total is $9.20.
Can I pay with cash here?
Yes, cash is fine, and card is also possible.
Here is $10, and please keep the small change.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
Could I have a paper bag for everything?
Yes, here is a strong bag with handles.
Thanks. The market is busy, but your stand is very easy to understand.
Office email problem.
You look worried at your desk. Is the email system not working again?
Yes, my message will not send, and the deadline is in 1 hour.
Let's check the internet connection first, because that is often the problem.
The browser works, so I think the internet is okay.
Then maybe the file is too large for one email.
You may be right because I attached 3 big reports.
Try sending the reports as a shared folder link instead.
I can do that, but I have not used the shared folder today.
Open the company drive and choose the folder called Monthly Files.
I see it now, and there is an upload button at the top.
Great. Upload the reports there and then copy the link.
Okay, the first report is uploading, but it is moving slowly.
That is normal because the file has many pictures inside.
Should I write a short note while I wait?
Yes, keep it simple and say the reports are in the link below.
That sounds professional and it is easy to understand.
After the upload finishes, check that the link opens for everyone.
Good point, because our manager needs to read it today.
The upload is finished now, so click Share and choose Company Access.
Done, and I will paste the link into the email.
Before you send it, check the subject line and the date.
The subject is clear and the date is correct.
You should also add our team name so the manager knows who sent it.
Good idea. I will write the team name under my signature.
Now you can send it, and you still have enough time.
Thanks. You saved me from a very stressful afternoon.
Phone case store.
Welcome. Are you looking for a phone case today?
Yes, I need a new case because my old one cracked.
I can help with that. What phone model do you have?
I have a Galaxy A series phone, but I am not sure about the exact number.
No problem. You can check the model in the phone settings.
Here it says A35, so I hope that helps.
Yes, that helps, and we have several cases for that model.
I want something simple, not too bright, and not too thick.
Then this black case is a good choice because it is slim.
It looks nice, but does it protect the corners well?
Yes, the corners are stronger and the back is not slippery.
That is important because I often drop my phone.
This case also has a small camera edge, so the lens stays safer.
That is useful because I take many photos with this phone.
Would you also like a screen protector today?
Maybe. How much is it with the case?
The case is $12 and the screen protector is $8.
That is okay. And can you put the protector on for me?
Yes, I can apply it here at the counter.
Great, because I always leave bubbles under it.
I will clean the screen first, so it goes on smoothly.
Thank you, and I will take the black case too.
Perfect. Your phone will be ready in about 3 minutes.
That is quick, and I can wait right here.
Here it is. And the screen looks clean and clear.
It looks perfect, and the new case feels comfortable in my hand.
Mini golf.
This mini golf course looks colorful, and the first hole seems easy.
I hope it is easy because I am not very good at this game.
Do not worry, we are only playing for fun today.
That is good because I do not want a serious competition.
Choose a club that feels comfortable in your hands.
This one is a good size and the ball is bright orange.
I will use the blue ball so we do not mix them up.
Great, and the first hole has a small bridge in the middle.
You can hit the ball softly and aim for the left side.
Okay, I will try not to hit it too hard.
Nice shot, it stopped near the hole.
That was better than I expected, so now it is your turn.
I will try to hit it around the bridge.
Your ball almost went in on the first try.
That was close, but now the next shot should be easy.
I like this place because each hole has a different shape.
After hole 5, there is a small bench if we need a short rest.
That is helpful because I may need water soon.
Yes, the next one has a small windmill, so it looks harder.
Maybe the windmill will stop my ball completely.
Or maybe it will make the game more exciting.
That is a better way to think about it.
After this round, we can check our scores and laugh about them.
I already know my score will be funny.
Funny scores are fine because the best part is the game itself.
Exactly, and I am ready for the next hole.
Dentist waiting time.
Good morning. You are here for your dentist appointment, correct?
Yes, my appointment is at 2 o'clock, but I arrived early.
That is fine, and I can check you in now.
Thank you. I was not sure if I should wait outside.
You can sit in the waiting area after you sign this form.
Okay, and do I need to update my phone number?
Yes, please write your current phone number on the second line.
Done. And how long is the waiting time today?
The dentist is running about 10 minutes late.
That is not a problem because I have time.
Would you like water while you wait?
Yes, please, because I feel a little nervous.
Many people feel nervous before a dentist visit, and that is normal.
That makes me feel better because I do not come very often.
The dentist will explain each step before starting.
Good, because I like to know what is happening.
Are you here for a cleaning or for tooth pain?
Mostly for cleaning, but one tooth feels sensitive.
I will write that note for the dentist.
If the dentist needs an x-ray, we will tell you before doing it.
Thank you. I like knowing the steps before they happen.
Thank you, because I do not want to forget it.
Please take a seat, and I will call your name soon.
All right, I will sit near the window.
Perfect. And your turn should come after the next patient.
Thanks for explaining the waiting time so clearly.
Friend's birthday gift.
The gift shop is not too crowded, so we can look around slowly.
Good, because choosing a birthday gift always takes me a long time.
What does Daniel like these days?
He likes coffee, notebooks, and small things for his desk.
Then maybe a nice notebook and a pen would be useful.
That is a safe idea, but I want the gift to feel personal.
What about this travel notebook with a city map on the cover?
That looks great because he talks about traveling all the time.
We could add this simple black pen to make it a small set.
Yes, and it is not too expensive.
Do you want to include a birthday card too?
Definitely, because a short message makes the gift warmer.
This card has a simple design and no loud colors.
I like it, and we can write a friendly note inside.
What should we write? Something short or funny?
Maybe short and kind because he likes simple messages.
Good idea. We can write that we hope he has a wonderful year.
That sounds natural, and it is easy English too.
Should we wrap the gift here or at home?
Let's wrap it here because the paper looks nice.
Blue paper or silver paper?
We should remove the price sticker before we give it to him.
Yes, that would look nicer and more careful.
Blue paper because it matches the notebook cover.
Perfect. Then the gift is ready for the party tonight.
I am glad we found something useful and thoughtful.
Park yoga.
The grass is dry today, so this is a good place for yoga.
I am glad because I did not want to put my mat on wet ground.
Place your mat beside mine and face the trees.
This spot feels quiet, even though the park is busy.
That is why I like morning yoga here.
I am a beginner, so please choose easy movements.
Of course, we can start with slow breathing and simple stretching.
That sounds perfect because my back feels a little tight.
Sit comfortably and keep your shoulders relaxed.
Okay, I will try to breathe slowly.
Now raise your arms gently and do not push too hard.
I can feel the stretch, but it does not hurt.
Good. Yoga should feel calm, not painful.
I like that because some exercises feel too fast for me.
After this, we can stand and try an easy balance pose.
I may lose my balance, so please do not laugh.
I will not laugh because everyone starts somewhere.
Thank you. That makes me less nervous.
Look at one point in front of you and keep your foot steady.
It works a little, but I still move a lot.
That is normal, and balance improves with practice.
I feel more relaxed already, even after a few minutes.
Great. We can do this every Saturday if you enjoy it.
I would like that because it is peaceful and healthy.
School test correction.
Please look at question number 4 because many students missed it.
I missed it too, and I do not understand the correction.
The question asks for the past tense, not the present tense.
Oh, I wrote go instead of went, so that was a mistake.
Exactly. The sentence needed went because it happened yesterday.
That makes sense now, and I should read the time words carefully.
Yes. Time words often show which tense you need.
Can we also check question 7?
Of course, that question was about countable and uncountable nouns.
I wrote many water, but I think that is wrong.
Yes, we say much water or a lot of water.
I see, and many is for things like apples or books.
Correct. And that is a good way to remember it.
I got confused during the test because I was nervous.
That happens, but your reading section was very strong.
Really, I thought I did badly on the reading part.
No, you understood the main idea and found the details well.
That is good news, and it makes me feel better.
For the next test, practice grammar for 10 minutes every day.
I can do that, especially if I make small example sentences.
That is a smart plan because examples help your memory.
Also review the vocabulary list because spelling mistakes cost easy points.
I will copy the difficult words into my notebook tonight.
Thank you for explaining my mistakes calmly.
You're welcome, and mistakes are part of learning.
I will study the corrections and try to improve next time.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.